Have you ever been involved in a project and gotten into a heated discussion, or let's just say an argument with your spouse during a home project? You're not alone. I will tell you that if someone that I am romantically involved with were to get involved in a big project with me, I would have to mind my manners because I'm very bossy, and sometimes I judge the way other people are doing things or want to do things or the decisions they make. So I'm trying to say that I would not be an easy person to do projects with, and so I can totally relate. Lydia in Lawrenceville says, I think I'm going to kill him. Well, not really, but my husband and I are having issues with our home remodeling project. Any suggestions? And I do have a few suggestions for you for some best practices to saving your relationship during a home project. In a Home Advisor survey, more than half of the respondents who reported completing a remodeling project with a spouse or domestic partner admitted to arguing with their partners during the process. In fact, 3% even considered a separation or divorce as part of that process. Number one, no conflict is normal. And the reasons for conflicts, 34% are caused by unexpected costs, 48% by budget. Those are the same to me. 27% due to interior design conflict, 18% floor plan issues, 34% timeline, and 30% paint color. Fight less is my suggestion by communicating more. Be respectful of each other's perspective and opinions. 14% of the people surveyed reported a better relationship after the remodel. 85% reported an unchanged relationship, and less than 1% reported a worse relationship. The reality is that being in any kind of relationship, and I am divorced, so I'm not one to be giving relationship advice, but I can tell you that it has become very clear to me over the last couple of years that the real key to a good relationship is open communication and having empathy for the other party. To say that I did not have that in prior relationships would be an understatement. So my suggestion to you, if you want to keep everybody happy, is listen to your partner. Make sure you're explaining your side very clearly, and then be willing to come to some sort of compromise, because those projects can be extremely stressful.